To uninstall bloatware apps on Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, I recommend to deactivate actually apps drawer. So if you have this option disabled, I've made a dedicated video on how to disable it. You will see all of the apps on your home screen. Now what we need to do is find all of the apps that were installed along with our system and the ones that are actually not needed. So what we have here is Vita Mahjong, actually not Mojang. We can go for the app info and then uninstall it, as this is a bloatware. The same for Toy Blast, Toon Blast, Tile Explorer, Timu, Solitaire, Match Factory, Block Blast, and here I think we have most of the things deleted that were a bloatware. And last one would be a Facebook, which also install along with your system, and you can also remove it without any problem. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.